My trader, one of my traders bank amazing profit, 125 pips, amazing pips. You can see here 100, some of them losing, but at the end made 125 pips. One of the trade is still open. You can see it still is in profit, is in open. Now let me share with you guys how he taken all these trade, which is based on the analysis. Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day, and I hope you banked very good profit today. I know market was very challenging today, like a roller coaster, but most of my traders squeeze amazing profit. Let me share with you how I help them through live intraday analysis to bank amazing profit. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of a review, so most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you how I did today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Okay, so Euro USD, if you look at here in 4-hour chart, this morning we had the short trade here, banked some profit. We had a long trade here, and at the New York session, after the news, we also had a long trade here. Let me explain to you how I refine entries and exit in intraday. And if you look at the intraday system, we have beautiful pips today. Okay, so this is the analysis at the London morning session, just before London. You can see here that was a pretty straightforward breakout. As soon as the price hit in 4-hour support level, bank some profit. Afterwards, price reverse, and that's why we train people. Now we have false breakout, major support, more likely reversal. How the price is going to react, that's the price action training with the live market, guys. Not with the historical, with the live. Pull back long, nicely hit target, bank some profit. After banking some profit, say we just wait for the news. Where the news, you can see a roller coaster. Say guys, let the market settle down. Once the market settle down, you can see a breakout. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain my trader bank some profit. Let me share with you what I'm saying about profit target and why I'm saying it. If you look at the 4-hour chart, price nicely respected here. That's the level. After banking some profit, look for counter short trade here. That's why we are intraday trader, guys. And after banking some profit, you can see here we had a counter short trade. Again, for counter, we need a valid entry in intraday. You can see here price develop head and shoulder pattern, beautiful breakout. You can see here banking some profit, another pullback. You can see here price nicely hit first target and the final target, and this is the another target. Am I gonna hit this level? But we managed beautiful pips, guys, on Euro USD. Okay, so pound dollar, beautiful trade here, guys. This morning we had the short trade here, and morning we had a long trade here, and after the New York session, beautiful another long trade here. And we hit this target at this level, banking some profit. We also had a counter short trade here, just like Euro USD. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a pretty straightforward. And if you look at this morning, you can say this is the analysis at the Asian session. Breakout, pullback, and just before London Open, explain my trader bank some profit. Let's see the price action again. As you can see here, price refused to break this level. We have the symmetry triangle pattern. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. As soon as the price reversed, some of the trader was asking probably it's going to shoot up, and I said okay. Then I did another analysis instantly. That's the way I train traders. I help them not to miss the opportunity. I say guys, don't enter the trade if the price gonna break until the price gonna break one of these levels. And as you can see here, that was the beautiful breakout. But based on the previous analysis, we have this pullback. Once we bank some profit, why I hit this level? Because the price was at this sub major, you can see here, support level. And if you look at here, we have price develop another falling wedge. Explain my trader, it's time to bank some profit. Banking some profit. As you can see here, price reversed. I say guys, now we have falling wedge. Look at here the price action, double top here, double bottom, broken this one, beautiful long trade, bank some profit. I say guys, now wait for the news release at the New York session. You can see a roller coaster. I say, guys, let the market just settle down. So price develop another pattern, beautiful breakout, short trade here, which technically we came out at the break even, as you can see here. So afterwards, pretty straightforward. I say, guys, look for this breakout price, because we are constantly monitoring the price action. And beautiful breakout, price nicely hit the target in 4 hour, banking some profit. Look for counter short trade here at this level. But after banking some profit based on the 4 hour, you can see here price nicely develop high and low, beautiful breakout, short trade here, as always, pull back as soon as the price hit to the profit target, this level. Explain my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze analyze entries and exit, banking profit every day. Okay, so dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. We didn't have a clear picture, but in the morning, explain my trade, looks like price is respecting. Look for short. We had a beautiful short trade here, and afterwards, say, guys, let the market settle, you know, news release, let the dust settle down, and then we're going to take trade here. Then we had a short trade here, bank some profit. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, entries and exit. That was the pretty straightforward trades on dollar CAD. As you can see here, that was the London morning session, pretty straightforward breakout, banking few pips, and this is the news reaction. I say, guys, let the news settle down, and after that, as soon as the price broken, bank amazing profit, look for another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the double previous low, banking some profit. And as you can see here, price reverse as soon as we bank some profit. And let's say, guys, we have price broken this low previously, and this is previous low is broken, previous high is broken. I say, guys, let the market break this structure, and then we're going to take a trade here. You can see a price refused to break this one, 200 EMA, and beautiful breakout. After breakout, pull back, bank some profit. You can see amazing as soon as the price hit to the profit target. So you can see, guys, how we manage and bank some profit. Now today, one of my traders bank amazing profit, 125 pips, amazing pips. You can see here, some of them losing, but at the end made 125 pips. One of the trade is still open. You can see it still is in profit, is in open. Now let me share with you guys how he taken all these trade, which is based on the analysis. All right, so if you look at in the beginning of the London morning, he also had this losing trade. Losing is the part of the game, but as always mentioned to my trader, you need to more focus on more winning. So don't be afraid of losing. Losing is the part of the game. You need to accept losing, but you need to add more winning. You can see a 1 2 3 4 5 trades losing, but that's again emotions trade. You can see this was the losing trade. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, but as soon as the price reversed, he get out. But based on that's what I explained to my trader. As soon as he cut his trade, and I said, why the heck you couldn't close this trade? Then I did another analysis. That's what I'm saying to you guys. I help my trader say, look at here, based on this analysis. He took on it. As soon as my market reversed, he closed his trade. I said, why you closed it? We're expecting this one pullback. Then I updated this analysis. And look here. You know, so that's what when I see they are having a challenging, then I broadcast the analysis. That's the way I do it. So you can see here, some of them losing dollar long. You can see here this one, he took a long trade here. As soon as the price reversed, I said, why did you close it? Price hasn't broken this one. You should hold this trade, right? And that's what because that's what exactly. But based on that, then I broadcast this analysis. Another one, I say, guys, take on and bank some profit. Look here. He has this losing, but if you look at the winning, you can see here winning. He already recovered all these pips. Look at the EURUSD 2 long trades here. Look, 23 pips. So when I said, okay, you should not close this trade. See, he opened another one, right? And I say, hold it. Don't worry about it. Add another one, scaling trade. You can see he added another one, 32 pips. You can see here, bank another profit here. What a beautiful trades, guys. End of the day, he made it 125 pips. That's the way I train my traders, guys. I hope you understand. And last, you can see he already banked 13 pips on dollar yen. He already holding a long trade, short trade on dollar yen. And let me share with you the open trade. This is the screenshot when he opened the trade. Again, this trade is also based on the analysis, and that analysis, which here of 1 hour, I also mentioned. Look at this one. Why I mentioned, let me share with you the 4-hour analysis, show you here. Look here, if you haven't seen my previous analysis review, I also mentioned this one short trade here. Today I also mentioned, if the price can develop false breakout, take another short trade here. So once the price develop false breakout, as you can see here, based on this analysis, that was the pretty straightforward breakout. He opened a trade, bank 11 few pips, and let the other trade run at the break even, and now still is in 28 pips in profit. All right guys, this is the way I trade, this is the way I help my traders. So this guy is managing my funds, this is the way I trade. I hope you understand, because most of the traders, they're asking me about show us the pips. I hope you enjoy this one. All right, as always mentioned guys, if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, or if you are struggling in forex trading and you want to learn forex trading with a live market in real time, this is the platform where I train traders with a live market every single day. And once you produce this kind of result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my manager will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.